Hello students, today we learn algebraic identities. First we see what is an identity. An identity is an equation is satisfied by any value that replaces its variables. First consider x plus y is equal to y plus x. Consider x plus y is equal to y plus x. Take x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now you take left hand side x plus y. Here you have to substitute the values, so which is equal to 1 plus 2. So left hand side value what? Which is equal to 3. Now you take right hand side, which is equal to y plus x. Now you substitute the values 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Remember, this will be an identity if it is satisfied for any value of x and y. So the identities give an alternate method of solving problems and multiplication of algebraic expressions and also of numbers. Now come to the first identity. So a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This means that no matter what values we substitute for a and b, this equation will always be satisfied. Now we have to prove this identity. First you take left hand side. What is in left hand side? A plus b the whole square. This can be written like that, a plus b into a plus b. Next we have to apply the distributive property. So a into a plus b. So a into a plus b. Then plus b into a plus b. Now we have to multiply by a into a plus b. So what is a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba plus b into b, b square. Here ba is written like that. So a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. Now you see that line. What are that like terms? ab and ab. So now you add this a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to get that right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified this property, that is a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Example 1. Find the square of 2x plus 3y, the square of 2x plus 3y, or find 2x plus 3y the whole square. Now we have to use a plus b the whole square identity here. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. Now we write the identity. What is the identity? A plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you substitute the values. So what is the a value? 2x. What is the b value? 3y, which is equal to 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y the whole square. That is equal to, now we square the number first. 2 square, 2 into 2, what is the value? 4. Then we have to square the variable x, x into x, x square. Then we have to multiply the number first. So what are the numbers? 2 into 2 into 3. So what is that? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12. Then you multiply the variables x into y. So 12xy plus, so 3 square, that is 3 into 3, 9. Then we have to multiply the variable y into y. So y square. Therefore answer is 2x plus 3y the whole square, which is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9 square. Similarly, we can prove the following identities. Second one is a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then the third one is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Then the last one is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now let's see the example 3.16, fourth subdivision. M plus 5 into m minus 8. Here we have to use x plus a into x plus b identity equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now let's see the sum. M plus 5 into m minus 8. Here x equal to m and a is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 8. Now we have to substitute in the identity. M plus 5 into m minus 8 equal to x square, that is m the whole square, plus what is a? 5. What is b? Minus 8 into x. For x we have to substitute m plus a into b, that is 5 into minus 8. Now we have to simplify this line. M square plus 5 minus 8, that is minus 3 into m, 5 into minus 8, minus 40, which is equal to m square minus 3m minus 40. So m plus 5 into m minus 8, which is equal to m square minus 3m minus 40. This is the answer for this sum. Okay students, let's see today's homework. Example 3.16. Expand the following using identities. First one is 3x plus 4y the whole square. See the second sum, 2a minus 3b the whole square. The last one is 5x plus 4y into 5x minus 4y. Okay students, do the sums in your classwork note. Thank you.